Welcome to Katya Extreme. Today you're watching something most people will never experience. A powerful ship moving through the frozen Arctic Sea of Russia. Surrounded by endless snow, solid ice, and extreme cold. This sea looks calm, but it is one of the most dangerous places on Earth. This is not an ordinary ship. This is a nuclear-powered icebreaker, built to survive where nature shows no mercy. Nuclear icebreakers are among the strongest ships ever made, powered by nuclear reactors and reinforced steel hulls. They are designed to crush ice several meters thick. Where normal ships would be trapped or destroyed, these giants keep moving forward. As the ship advances, the ice cracks and breaks apart beneath its weight. The sound of splitting ice reminds you how powerful and unforgiving this environment is. The Arctic Sea is not only cold, it is unpredictable. Temperatures can fall below minus 40 degrees. Visibility can disappear without warning. Storms rise fast, and shifting ice can close in around a ship at any moment. Sailing here is a constant challenge. Crews face extreme isolation, freezing winds, mechanical risks, and long periods of darkness during the polar night. Out here, help is very far away. Every journey through the Arctic tests both human strength and technology. These icebreakers are lifelines, opening routes for cargo ships, research missions, and survival in the far north. As this ship cuts through the frozen sea, it shows the battle between engineering and nature and humanity's determination to push forward. This is the power of the Arctic. This is Katya Extreme. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to Katya Extreme.